This is famous in Korea. It is popular cotton hand cream.
Yeah.
You can get in Olivia.
2. I have 3 lip items.
Me too. I have 3.
Oh really?
This is hair roll. It is an essential item to Korean women who have this bag.
Use.
Oh, I will show you.
Hey guys! Today we are filming what's in my bag as a business woman in Korea.
Are you ready? Let's get in. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Let's talk about our belongings.
First of all, let's talk about makeup items. Ellie, do you have cushion in your bag?
Of course, this is so essential item to Korean women.
Me too, I have it too. Philippine, I'm should 갈까?
Destination.
넘어갔어? Got it? What about the lips? Do you have lip item?
Of course too. I have 3 lip items.
Me too, I have 3
Oh really? I have 2 tints and 1 colored lip balm.
Oh, me too. I have 2 tints and 1 colored lip balm. This item is based on my personal color. Ellie, do you know your personal color?
Oh yes, my personal color is autumn mute.
Oh, really?
How about you?
Oh, my personal color is also autumn, but
Oh.
deep. So my lip is so dark.
Oh my lip is like dried flower loose.
Yeah, it calls like MLBB.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Cool. Let's get into second categories.
In summer in Korea is too hot and humid, so we need to these perfume items. So necessary.
Yes.
Kendall, what kind of perfume do you like?
As for me, I prefer soap and cotton perfume. So this is famous in Korea. It is popular cotton hand cream.
Yeah.
You can get in Olivia. And this one is
Cell.
이것도 비누 향수인데 너무 본체가 크다 보니까 공병에 옮겨 담아서 가지고 다닙니다. What about you? What types of incense you prefer?
My preferred incense is flower, like me.
아, 너무 달랐어.
Like me. It's joking. So this is olive flower incense. This is so famous in all over the world. I think this is in Germany, made in Germany, and this is portable size perfume.
It's cute.
So it is easy to carry on.
Next, we are gonna talking about hair items. First of all, this is hair roll. It is an essential item to Korean women who have this
How
bag.
can you use?
Oh, I will show you.
Oh.
Just keep it like this, just lip like this. You can see Korean women have this in Korean subway or bus. So after about 10 minutes,
Oh, magic!
it has volume.
Oh.
So it is my must-have item. And
2 types of hair comb.
We have hair scrunch, hair band. It is must-have item also in Korea.
Yeah. Oh, this is so important to me. My hair is so long, and summer I always use this.
Me too. And This one.
Oh yeah.
This is called 집게핀 in Korean. Hairpin. It is also must-have item in Korea.
Yeah, that hair 집게핀 in 10 about 10 집게핀 in house. So I have these. Do you know these? These are 꼬꼬핀. I show you how can use.
Wow.
I use these. My friend told me it looks like dog. Work. And like 10 minutes ago, I have volume 2 here.
It's similar like this.
Yes.
Ellie, do you have eye drop?
Oh, of course. I have four eye drops.
Wow.
I use this for a day. You can open this lid and drop my eyes.
And also, I have breath spray. Even if we brush our teeth after having lunch, but I feel uncomfortable after a few hours later, so I use this breath spray.
Oh, fresh.
I feel better.
Yeah.
What about you?
I like this one, but I usually eat mint candy for same reason. In Korea, this eclipse is so famous. There are so many flavors, and this is peach. I like peach.
Oh, me too. Give me one too.
Okay. Here you are.
Next, we have AirPod.
Oh, what's this? Oh, very lovely strawberry.
Yeah, I love my case.
I don't have any case.
I have also Kiri.
Simple. And charger. I use this in everywhere, in cafe or company. My cell phone is easy to die, so I use this. And I'm gonna talk about my wallet. What do you think about this color?
Oh, I like it. It looks good to you.
Oh, really?
It's bright like you.
My mother gave me this for my birthday in this year. How about you? What's your wallet?
Actually, I don't really use wallet.
Oh.
I have this phone case. I can carry on my 2 frequently used cards, so I don't need wallet actually.
Oh, it's easy to like. It looks like comfortable.
Yes, it's so comfortable. And I have this business card wallet. Isn't it pretty?
Oh, it's my style.
Oh, it's called jage. It is mother of pearl in English. It's made by seashell. It's like it's so traditional Korean style.
It is. I think it is traditional in Korea.
Yeah.
Traditional item in Korea.
Yeah, you can buy this kind of souvenir in Korea easily. So I will put the souvenir shop address where you can buy this.
Oh, I will buy this.
Okay.
For personal sanitary, we bring wet tissue.
And mine is alcohol swab. Oh, I like your pouch.
Oh, really? I like your pouch too. Rabbit.
Yeah.
Oh, rabbit. You have 2 rabbits.
Yeah, I love rabbit.
It looks like you.
Thank you. Guys, this is the end of our video. Do you have any must-have item in your bag?
What's in your bag? Tell me. Let's see you on the next video. Bye.
Character.